How to fix Instagram I'm not a robot problem easily and fast. Hello guys, in today's short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram I'm not a robot. First thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps like this, and after that go into the apps again. Now on this page you will find all the apps. Click on the Instagram app right here. After you click on the Instagram app, now on this page you have to click on this force stop option, as you can see. After that, click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache. Now you have to go into the power usage details right here, as you can see, and then you have to disable the power consumption alert and enable it again. Now you have to turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again and reopen Instagram. If the problem is not solved yet, then you have to remove Instagram from your phone and then reinstall it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.